Today I will be showcasing all the features of my final year project, which I have called QuickApp. QuickApp, as the name suggests, allows you to quickly iterate on apps and make them. To start, let's load a pre-made example, which you will find on the homepage of the site. As you see, we're in one of three main screens. The first main screen being the designer, where you can change the layout of your app as you so desire. The next screen is the programmer, where you can add functionality to your app. Finally, you can test it in the browser to make sure that the functionality that you want is there. Okay, after that you can download it as an APK and install it on your phone. I don't know where screen copy went, I had it open. Here we go. Now it's a functioning app on my phone. This is on my phone, this is a screen copy, in case you were not aware. Alright. So, I will be, as an example, making a decrement version of this. This is where we go off script. Alright, I'm going to make a new page. I'm going to call this page decrement. I'm going to put the text as decrement. I'll then add layout, a button. I'll make that horizontal so the button's nice in there. Add another label in the layout so it's in the center, because everything is by default left aligned. Now on the main page, we're going to make the increment button, instead of increment, we're going to make it increment once, and then we're going to make it, we're going to use a global here to navigate to page 1. As you can see, you have a list of the components in your project here. You can hit add interaction, and then you get all the functions which are relevant to that. Here in the decrement, we can make a variable. That's something that users are gonna have to learn to do themselves. This is Lua. I think that will be I'm not sure if I'm going to justify my decisions here, if I'm just going to showcase everything. I think I'll just showcase everything. Then on this button being pressed, this label, we're going to set the text to count, which starts at 1. Let's start at 10. Let's do that there as well. That way it's always at the same count, because this runs whenever the page loads. Count, and then we're going to do count equals count minus 1. Maybe just for demonstration purposes, I'll add an extra button here. It's like a specific button to go over a page. There we go. Program. Copy this. Go over here. Button. I should name them. I would name them, but nah. Just doing a showcase. We have to be quick about this. I've got like 1 minute left before it's too long. And hopefully when we test this in the browser, everything will work. Other page. Decrement. And now it's going down. The reason, you could see there for a second, that I botched the programming a bit, because if we go to decrement, this needs to be above here, because otherwise it's just going to set it to 10 again when you hit the button. Other page, decrease, and there you go. That's a fully working QuickApp with navigation and everything. You can save this as a save here. You can also edit the raw code of the QuickApp. You can this isn't how it's stored behind the scenes. This is just a representation of it. But you can edit it here if you really want to. And that'll be it. I'm 30 seconds over time. Thank you for watching.